apologize for my English in advance. I have practiced home, but still it's a bit difficult for me. So let me introduce myself. My name is Markos. I'm from Athens, Greece. I came to Sweden in 2012, and I will talk about my experience since I arrived. It's a storytelling, and then I will give some tips with this stuff. So, many of you, well, not many of you, but yeah, you have passed through Greece. I hope that you were treated well over there. You were not being mishandled or something. So, is it okay with the microphone?
Yeah.
The voice? So, I always wanted to live and go abroad, especially in Germany, because I have some cousins over there. But my girlfriend came here for PhD studies. So, PhD studies. Oh, perfect. PhD studies, and yeah, I follow her here. It was actually a big change for me, but I'm happy with my decision. This is now, and I will explain why. First, we applied for my personal number. It's super important in Sweden. And applied also for my permission of residence to work here and study here. And yeah, it took a long time for immigration office to answer. So in the meanwhile, I was sending job applications, English, and I was taking some beginner Swedish courses for university. Not such success, but yeah. After 8 months, I received my personal number, and I got also a job in Stockholm as a car washer through a friend. Yeah, however, I didn't want to be a car washer for the rest of my life. This wasn't my dream, but that's not a good job. So, what did I do? Yeah, when I had my personal number, I registered in Swedish for immigrants, SFE, in Eduktus in Stockholm. And, but in Greece, I finished my studies as a technician air conditioning and ventilation. So I like this technical field a lot. I would like to stay here in Sweden with a better job, with a better future. So I decided to move back to Lund with my girlfriend and trying to improve more and more on my Swedish, taking some courses in English also, and I was registered in a 1-year study program as a plumber. Yeah, and I have just got my degree last February, and 10 days ago I got a job as a janitor or as a caretaker, if you like. Yeah, it's this job, thanks Ulle, they build a lot of houses. They have also to take care of them. So we are coming in this. So if you like the job with your to work with your hands, it's a super cool job. Requires studies as caretaker or in a relevant area or years of experience in this field. So your duties are to repair and maintain simple things in the apartment or outside outside the building. So this can be like changing bags in the laundry rooms, or you can fix a stop to a sink, from renovating a bathroom to I don't know, what else? Yeah, whatever has a apartment inside. Change the lamps, for example. Yeah, so I'm very happy, super happy right now. It's been a while, a week. Yeah, but before I go, I would like to give some tips, easy tips. Yeah, first of all, as Ulla said, Swedish, as good and as fast as possible was the super one requirement to find a good job in Sweden. And Sweden gives you the opportunity to study. You will find for sure the right course for you. You will go to vägledningscentrum. It's, how we say this in English? Vägledningscentrum.
Oh, I don't know.
Nobody knows.
Guidance center.
Guidance, yeah, exactly, guidance center. Yeah, so you will find the right course, and then if you finish the courses, I'm sure that you're going to find your dream job. Then let me check my tips, please. So try to use Swedish in your everyday language, everyday conversations, even if you know that it's not as good as you would like to be. Yeah, vägledningscentrum, you said that. Good tip is also that you can get a summer job somewhere. I don't know, there are a lot of strawberry pickers or I don't know, waiter or something, and get yourself in real time, real life conversations every day. So this is about Swedish language. It's super important. And meet up with native speaking guys. Ask them your questions, or as Ulla said, you can come to Language Cafe. It's open every Saturday, 1 to 3, and yeah, play some basketball also. But super important thing is that you have to adjust yourself to this community. So, as the Swedes say, like, anpassa sig. So, hope that everybody find a perfect job for themselves. I wish luck, best luck. That's it. Thank you very much.